Ryan Blasiak, Case IH Harvest Marketing Manager. Behind us here we have the new 250 series machines, which has the optional AFS Harvest Command. So that is our automation technology, and what it allows us to do is for the producers, we can use 16 different sensors to make 7 different key combine function changes. So ground speed, rotor speed, pre-sieve, top sieve, fan speed, lower sieve, and then ultimately now cage vane angle position as well. So all of these things benefit the producer with less losses, better grain quality, and then optimizing the throughput of that machine. So really how it breaks down is it utilizes all these sensors, and we have a new exclusive patented sieve pressure sensor, and what that measures is the pressure differential between the upper and the lower sieve to understand what was happening on my sieves. And that allows it to be proactive versus reactive. So I can understand, do I have a sieve off loss condition or do I have blowout losses? And then we're constantly optimizing that machine before we see losses to maximize grain savings and benefit to the customer. So how it works is we have 4 different modes of operation. So we have a performance mode, which optimizes my grain savings while focusing on grain quality and then optimizing the throughput of that machine as well. Then we have grain quality, which utilizes the camera that's part of AFS Harvest Command as well. And then that focuses on maximizing grain quality while also maximizing grain savings and throughput. And then we have fixed throughput and max throughput modes, which allow me to either define a set amount for a desired throughput to achieve. Let's say I have issues with logistics of grain handling or drying. I can set a determined amount so the machine's not sitting idling in the field. And then max throughput, which is where if I got a weather event coming in and I really need to focus on getting the most amount of crop through the machine possible, that's where max throughput. So all at an option for the customer. So starting off about 13 grand list price, and we've seen some great stuff in the field. Had a product specialist that's been doing this for 42 years, got out back behind the machine, and he said, this can set the combine better than I can. So someone that's been doing it for 42 years in canola, which is arguably a pretty hard crop to set for, it's very impressive.